So in this video today, we are going to do a Costco haul as well as a Walmart haul. Yes, lots of shopping lately because we have so many people in so many different places doing so many different things, and we're always on the go, aren't we? So we're heading back to Boston. We're just at the Wells house. We were grocery shopping for the Wells house for 15 people for when we're all there. So we got these two shelves to put canned goods on, so I am going to have those set up first, and then I'll share with you the rest of the grocery haul. Hey guys, I'm Mama Red Many. I am mom to 15 children, and we just moved. Well, we're not completely moved yet. We're almost moved, and I have a grocery haul for y'all. We went to Costco today, and then I ended up going to Walmart after that. We're trying to just get everything moved into the house. But as we're unloading and we're unpacking, we had no food. We had no food. So we have food at Ronald McDonald's house. We have food at the house that's in Ogunquit. We have food, we have food up north, but we had no food here. Well, very little food. Anyhow, I needed a little bit of food, so that's what we're gonna do. So this is going to be food for our family, very sporadically, lots of instant type foods because we are unpacking and doing all the things that happen when you just move into a house. So these are really like quick foods. We have plenty of meat that's that we brought down from Maine. We do not have that many canned goods, but we're probably going to go back up and grab some canned goods. Yeah, so I'll show you what I got. So our household here will actually be for 15. We have 13 children once Azariah comes home. Right now he's in the pediatric NICU, and then my husband and myself that will be eating food. Alrighty, these are very random on the table. Just had the kids throw them on here. We got a big bag of oranges. And I also was extremely hungry before I went to do this grocery haul because I think I had eaten a Danish and oatmeal, and it was like supper time. So this might show a little bit of that. Okay, so we have some grapefruits, which are absolutely lovely, some oranges, bananas, clementines, apples, lots of fruits, guys. We got some lemonade. My daughter, who is 2, she still has a bottle. We'll work on that later, but we usually just put like this much juice and some water in there for before bed, which it's already past bedtime now, in case you can't hear the background. So this was right there, and it was cheap, and I just picked it up. I was getting so confused. I had not been in that Costco before. It was so busy. I will drop a couple clips in here just of how busy it is. And then at the grocery line, I stood at the grocery line and realized that I was in self-checkout with 2 massive carts of stuff because it was so far up there. I couldn't tell that it was self-checkout until I already 10 people in front of me. So anyhow, that was the crazy for the day. I was looking for some shelves for the basement for Costco, and I got those shelves, and then I got one more shelf to put some craft supplies in. So we got some big carrots. I had no plan in this grocery haul, absolutely no plan for this grocery haul. Broccoli florets. We got, what are these? Mini carrots. We got some mini peppers and some dip. So I just figured whatever we're eating, we could have meat, or we could have sandwiches or whatever, and just some veggies. And then I got some lovely hummus and some spinach artichoke parmesan dip. We got some grapes, provolone cheese, string cheese, Mexican blend. Got a little bit of butter and some cream cheese. But I didn't buy bagels. My thought was I could do bagels and cream cheese, and forgot the bagels. But cream cheese is good on so much more than just that. We also got some cucumbers I got some Greek yogurt, which if you remember at my other Costco haul that I did just last week, that grocery haul, I had Greek yogurt, but that went to Ronald McDonald House. There's plenty left. It's just, we didn't bring any of that. So we have this Greek yogurt, which is going to be used for people here, which I didn't realize until right now that this was non-fat, and I prefer the whole fat Greek yogurt, but that's okay. Not the end of the world. A thing of sour cream. I was hungry, so I bought, not shown here, we bought 4 sandwiches, like already made sandwiches that were like day old, so they were discounted. So I got 4 sandwiches, and I also got some discounted lunch meat that you're not gonna see here because it's already eaten up. So I got macaroni salad and potato salad. That was supposed to go with it, but we ended up just kind of eating, and there was a bag of chips that was already open here, so people just started eating that. We were busy building all the things. So I was organizing the kitchen. People were going downstairs, and they were building the 2 shelves that I bought. So much was going on. So we ended up just, I didn't even know what I was doing. I was just hungry, and I was grabbing random things. I also bought some chicken, pre-done chicken, like little nugget things. I bought some of those, and then the sandwiches, and we just kind of went to town. I had 2, yeah, they're not even here, 2-pound things of strawberries that have been eaten. So 4 pounds of strawberries and a quart of blueberries that were also eaten tonight with supper, along with those chips. All right, let's see. I usually make our waffles, but I bought some of these. I figured quick and easy for here. A lot of times, like as we're coming here, it's like we're coming here and we need to leave really soon after. I just grabbed those real quick. I got some gluten-free bread. I think these were like $8.99 for the 2 loaves. That's really, I think, the best price that I found for the gluten-free. We have regular wheat. I got 4 loaves of that. And then what I was thinking I was going to do for supper before I walked by the discounted sandwiches and realized how late it was I was thinking that we were going to take these and make mini pizzas out of them. So I think what we'll probably do is do that tomorrow. So, because I have plenty of sauce from our home canned sauce, I'll just take these and throw some sauce on them along with some of that Mexican blend. And I have pepperoni somewhere around here. And those will make mini pizzas. This had like a markdown code on it, and it was like $3 for that massive bag, so I grabbed that. We got the organic spring mix. I don't really understand Costco. I'm gonna learn it, but I don't really understand it. It's very confusing how there is like rooms that you go in that's produce and rooms that you go in that's dairy. But then not all the dairy is in there because the cheese wasn't in there. And I couldn't find cream. I don't know where the cream was at. And actually the eggs were in the dairy section, which eggs aren't dairy. Poor cow. Anyhow, I don't understand it all yet, but I will. I need like a map of the store. Can somebody give me directions? All right, we got some spring mix. This I did not buy. This must have already been on the table. Chipotle ranch, 2 bags of these. I think it's $7.99 for 2 of these, and I thought it was expensive, but then I realized that I was spending like $4 for one of them, or $4.99 for one of these on Amazon Fresh. So then I realized, oh, it's not half bad. A thing of onions. I got these almond flour crackers. I thought that would be yummy. Oh, we could have that with like cream cheese. That would be yummy. Depending on who I have for for lunch, we could have that with cream cheese and then like fruits and veggies. I got these chicken sausages to go with my bagged Eggo waffles. I got russet potatoes, 2 bags of sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes are a really good price, guys, there. I forget what they are, but they're a really good price. And then I got lunch meat. This is what is left of it. I got 2 or 3 other packages of lunch meat that was marked down. And then I got my package of pepperoni and cube steak. Okay, I'm really weird. I did not grow up eating a lot of meat. Or eating a lot of like real food, to be honest with you. And I'm trying to think how old I was. I remember eating cube steak for the first time, and I was like, that is so delicious. Occasionally, like maybe once a year, maybe once a year, I'm like craving cube steak. So I saw it and I got it pretty much for myself, but everyone can share in what I got. Yeah. So I bought 2 packages of cube steak. One thing that I am noticing, I think my iron is probably low because they don't have it. Actually, they did have steak the other day, if you could call it that. I don't know if it was steak. It was flavored like steak, but it was more like beef chunks flavored as steak. Anyway, at Boston Children's, but they don't have a lot of red meat. And then the salad is a lot of like pale salad, if that makes sense. So I feel like maybe my iron's a little low. I need to start taking my iron again because all I want is like meatloaf and steak. That is what I'm craving. And so I got cube steak. I got 2 packages of cube steak. Oh my goodness, look at that price. Yeah, that's crazy. Anyway, who in their right mind pays $8.33 a pound? One tired, hungry mama. So if you have been here before, you would know that I actually separate my grocery budget. Some people do, some people don't. I have a household budget and a grocery budget, and both of them are totally out of whack. I also ended up getting those 2 shelves for the basement, a shelf that we put together for supplies. At Walmart, I got 2 bed frames. What else did we get at Walmart? I got 2 bed frames and something else. I got random hangers. So my grand total for Costco was, let's see, $3.33. And then at Walmart, I spent like $68. Mainly Walmart is like what we ate tonight. If you want me to be honest with you, it was just the like lunch meat sandwiches, that type of stuff. So what you see here, aside from the pepperoni, is all Costco. So that was $3.30. And then other things that I bought, I'm looking on my list because I couldn't remember what else I bought besides like the bed frames and that type of stuff. I did also buy stamps at Costco. You can get them at like a discounted price, but you have to buy 100 stamps. So that was $72, but we were totally out of stamps. So that was kind of a quote unquote big purchase. And then I got a bath mat as well for the upstairs. So that's what we got. And that was our grand total. So I hope you all have a blessed and wonderful day.